How to log into your Roblox account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Roblox account on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar type in Roblox. And now make sure you have downloaded the Roblox app, and once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now as soon as you open the Roblox app, it will basically provide you with two options, sign up and log in. So since we are here to log into our account, we'll tap on the option login. And now you'll have to enter your username over here and then your password over here. And in case you don't remember either your password or your username or both, you can simply reset them by tapping the option forgot password or username. After that, once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll be successfully able to reset your password or your username. And now once you've done that, enter your password and username over here. After that, tap on the option login, and there you have it. You have successfully logged into your Roblox account on your mobile device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.